Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by launching the camera and switching to the macro or closest focal option. This lets the lens focus very near. Make sure grid is on and autofocus behavior is known. If your phone has a Pro Macro preset, choose it to lock settings. Clean the lens and steady your phone on a tripod to avoid blur. Use soft directional light to reveal texture. Angle the light to create shallow shadows, because macro depends on contrast more than magnification. You approach the subject slowly and watch the focus change. Move in tiny increments until fine details resolve. Once sharp, tap to focus and hold to lock AE/AF so exposure won't shift when you recompose. If your phone offers a manual focus slider in Pro mode, nudge it for pixel-level precision. Make sure you're not using excessive digital zoom. Opt for slight optical magnification or cropping later. Because clarity comes from optics, you finalize by triggering the shutter with a timer or remote to eliminate handshake, and then review the image at full size to confirm sharpness where it matters. If highlights blow out, lower exposure or ISO. Add a soft fill light to tame deep shadows without flattening texture. If focus keeps hunting, back the phone away a few millimeters and try again, reclean the lens, or use manual focus. These quick fixes resolve most macro focusing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.